Okay, now it's on. Now I know. Hello guys, YouTube. This is Frog Life. Someone called Lego Clone. I forgot what else he was called. Yeah. He's got a battleship. Yeah. But I can beat him. I haven't built. I haven't built an army, but I have got a ship. And it's kind of like an army. Guess what it is? An aircraft carrier. Guess how many it has on? 9. 9. So Lego Clone, if you see this, you are going down to hell. Well, not actually, no. Only if we were in the war, you know. You're in different wars, yeah, blah blah blah. Yeah. And now I am going to show you. Yeah. Oh no, one of them fell. Oh no. Yeah. Look at it. Yeah. It has 9, and one of them's a bomber. It has a turret on as well. So you're gonna get wrecked. And this isn't any ordinary battleship. I mean, not battleship, aircraft carrier. So Lego Clone, if you see this, you are gonna get wrecked. Oh yeah, no, unsubscribed. So if you see this, make a video of you watching this. Probably, wait, nah, he won't be doing it because I haven't uploaded it yet. So, bye. This is Frog Life. Gone. Peace.